Hello whizzes. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is human body, anatomy, physiology, and histology insights. Anatomy. Anatomy is the scientific study of the physical structure of organisms and their various components. It examines the arrangement and relationships between different body parts, providing a static, three-dimensional perspective. There are several levels of anatomical study, including gross anatomy. This involves the examination of structures that can be seen with the naked eye. It encompasses the study of organs, bones, muscles, nerves, and the relationships between these structures. Anatomical dissection is often a key technique used in gross anatomy. Microscopic anatomy. This delves deeper into the cellular and histological aspects of anatomy. It examines tissues, cells, and subcellular structures, allowing for a finer level of detail, which is where histology comes into play. Physiology. Physiology is the study of the functioning of living organisms. It is a dynamic field that explores how different systems and mechanisms within the body operate to maintain life. Physiology is concerned with understanding the various processes that occur at different levels of biological organization, including cellular physiology. This focuses on the functioning of individual cells, including processes like metabolism, membrane transport, and cell signaling. Organ physiology. Organ physiology delves into the specific functions of organs, such as the heart, lungs, and kidneys. It explores how these organs work, their role in maintaining homeostasis, and how they interact with other systems in the body. Systemic physiology. Systemic physiology considers the integrated functioning of multiple organs and systems, such as the cardiovascular, respiratory, and digestive systems. It examines the coordination between different body systems to support life. Pathophysiology. This subfield of physiology studies the abnormal functioning of the body that occurs in disease states. It helps in understanding the mechanisms behind diseases and disorders. Histology. Histology, also known as microscopic anatomy, is the branch of biology that investigates the microstructure of biological tissues. It involves the examination of cells and tissues at a microscopic level, typically using a microscope. Histologists study the composition and organization of tissues and cells, and they play a vital role in various aspects of medicine and biology, including cellular structure. Histology reveals the detailed structure of individual cells, including the types of organelles present and their arrangement. Tissue types. Histologists classify tissues into categories like epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissues based on their microscopic characteristics. Disease diagnosis. Histological analysis is crucial for diagnosing diseases and conditions. For example, the examination of a tissue biopsy can reveal abnormalities associated with cancer or inflammation. Research. Histology is indispensable in scientific research, helping scientists understand the microscopic basis of various physiological processes and diseases. In summary, anatomy provides the structural framework. Physiology explains how the body's systems function to maintain life, and histology explores the microscopic details of tissues and cells. These three disciplines are interrelated and collectively contribute to our profound understanding of the human body, forming the cornerstone of medical and biological sciences. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.